The Greatest Request by Umuvugo. Maybe the moon shines, the night is no longer dark, and maybe the sun rises, the day is no longer cold, but I'm left with a request that it should be a pride for all humankind. Wars are everywhere, troops are seen there, once starvation, then destitution, characterize black sanctuarity, and eliminate the purity, now outrage or equality, due to torture continuity. A poor man that plunders claims his dignity, saying, I am and I was a man. To the world that opposes, once man is always a man, and that a man is a male. I noticed that and proceed. Inexplicable magic that manages the man and its core system. Genesis potential part, but Jacob's job can stop it. It rather prospers in the city, and countryside is the target. After denying the point of inquiry and denied the point of order, I have requested in silence, great enough to create defense, that guns should be kept away, magic should not read, booms should be banned, legs should be buried. Praise man is a man. Oh Lord, hear me, as you did and as you